to use. We have a machine like this. Do you want to know how to use it? I'm going to show you there in a few steps how you can do it. Now I'm going to teach you how to use this machine. So once you unhook it from here, all you have to do is just grab this. I mean, this is going to be here. Just pull it, push it, and then pull it down, and then move it here, and this will lock it in place for the brakes. And then after that, you're going to grab this, and then you're going to push it, pull it down, and then you can move this the way that you want it. You know, move to the right or to the left or whatever. There you have the handles. And then after that, you can turn on the engine like this, and then it's like a car. Just move it again, spin it or turn it, and then it will start. I'm not doing it right now because otherwise it's going to make a lot of noise. Here you have the fuel gauge. Make sure that you fill it up before you return it. If you want to use big branches, medium or little branches over here. And then if you want to start the auto feeding, you push it here, or in the other side it has the same thing. So otherwise you have the manual. So that is mostly what you're going to use. And also to pull it down, here you have a handle, as you can see here. So you have to pull this down, move it, so that way you can move this down. Otherwise you're not going to be able to move it. And here you have the gasoline. You put gas there. Hydraulic oil over there, but if you rent it, you don't have to worry about that. Just put gas here, and that's it. Here you have the filter, the air filter, and that's it. So that is all you have to do in order to start working with this. Make sure that you don't put like huge branches or anything like that. You have to fit there. If it doesn't fit there, it's going to get stuck and it's going to be a pain. When you finish, just pull it up, and that's it.